Hello friends, in today's video we are going to discuss a new concept of egg shell skull rule or thin skull rule. The rule is applied in law of torts and even in some cases Indian Contract Act also. Before watching this video, please like, share and subscribe. Let's start. This new concept, though it was discussed in early judgments also, it was discussed in latest judgment of Jyoti Devi versus Suket Hospital 2024 by Supreme Court in 2024 judgment. The concept of egg-shell skull is basically a legal principle of civil litigation, and it has emerged from common law in 1891 in the case of Vosburgh vs. Putney. The case was decided by Justice Leon. What is the meaning of this eggshell skull? Eggshell skull means person having eggshell skull is the person who is more severely impacted by an act. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मैं किसी को हिट करती हूँ तो वो सिर्फ गिरेगा, उसको सिर्फ इंजरी आएगी. लेकिन इस केस में क्या हुआ, जिस पर्सन पे हम ये एगशेल स्कल वाला रूल लगा रहे हैं, वो पर्सन को एक इंजरी से एक हिट से उसकी डेथ हो गई. नाउ द केस इज विच एन अदरवाइज अ प्रूडेंट पर्सन वुड बी लाइबल टू विदहेल्ड. मतलब एक पर्सन को अगर मैं हिट करती हूँ तो वो बच जाता इन नॉर्मल केसेस, लेकिन अब एक हिट से ही, एक मेरे पंच से ही उसकी डेथ हो गई. तो अब इस रूल को अप्लाई करने के बाद क्या होगा, द डूअर ऑफ एन एक्ट वुड बी लायबल फॉर अदरवाइज मोर सिवियर इम्पैक्ट देन सच एन एक्ट मे हैव ऑन विक्टिम. मीन्स कि मेरे एक पंच ने, अदरवाइज तो मुझे सिर्फ एक इंजरी के लिए, एक असॉल्ट के लिए ही लायबल होना था, लेकिन अब उसकी डेथ हो गई है तो आई विल बी लायबल फॉर हिज डेथ. आई हैव टू पे डैमेजेस और कंपनसेशन फॉर द मोर सिवियर इंजरी. The concept is basically to give fair damages to the victims. And in the cases where there is some pre-existing condition lie in the body of a victim and the person, whether aware, that means he is negligent, or not aware, maybe he is intentionally doing this act, he will cover under this eggshell skull and he has to pay the damages for the whole effect, that means causing his death. And there is some exceptions of this rule. One such exception is the rule is not applicable on emotional damage. It is applicable only when there is some personal injury, physical injury. Only the rule is applicable in that case. For example, a person is already under some stress and you intentionally give him such news which may cause a shock to him, you won't be covered under this rule. I hope the legal principle of eggshell skull is now clear to you, and you will come in comment box with more cases on this rule. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe.